Hello and welcome to Rajya Sabha Television. You're watching a special edition of The Big Picture with me, Frank Rausan Pereira. A special edition because we are in the city of pearls, the capital city of Telangana, Hyderabad. During the course of the program, of course, we'll try and bring you all the major political issues and what are the factors that could influence the assembly elections in the state in a short while from now. And to do that, I have with me on the program today an expert panel. Let me introduce that panel to you. Professor G. Haragopal, political analyst. Also with us on the program, Professor Rama, Melkote, political analyst as well. Ravikant, Reddy, deputy editor of The Hindu. And Prashant, Sagi, vice president, Motivity Labs. Thank you to all my guests for joining me on this edition of The Big Picture. Coming to you, Prashant, Sagi, Hyderabad is also known as Cyberabad, let's not forget, and you are a member who represents the IT industry. How has the IT industry really fared over the last 4.5 years?
Fortunately, IT industry in Hyderabad has grown more than the national average. In 2014, the software exports were around 54,000 crores from Hyderabad, and in 2018 it has grown to about 94,000 crore rupees. And if you look at the 24/7 power supply that is coming in for the not only software sector but all sectors, that has helped us a lot, because if you go for diesel powered generator, each unit costs around 20 to 22 rupees, but the government power supply comes at about 9 rupees 50 NP. So there is a lot of difference between the own power and the power given by the government on the cost side of it. Secondly, the employment potential has also grown. About 4.5 lakh people are currently employed here in the IT sector. Similarly, the growth prospects, at least in the next 3 years, are very high. Around 33 million square feet of office space is under construction in Hyderabad right now, which is going to be available in the next 3 years. So we are expecting the growth story to continue, and the compounded annual growth rate at about 16% to 18%, Hyderabad is growing in the IT sector, and I'm sure the employment potential will increase further, and this will have a trickle down effect in Telangana areas also, is my opinion.
Clearly, that is a sector that has not been alienated. The IT industry or the IT sector doing well is what Prashant Sagi is suggesting. Taking the discussion forward, Prashant Sagi, as far as the IT sector is concerned, let's talk about expectations now going forward as far as the next government is concerned. What is it that the IT industry will expect from the next government that is formed?
See, as you know, IT industry in India has progressed because not many politicians know much about it. Right? So coming to the expectations from the government, it's on the infrastructure improvement in Hyderabad, plus the including power, and bridging the skill gap between the graduates who are coming out of the colleges, as well as reskilling and upskilling of the present employees in the IT sector. These are the main expectations. So some efforts are being taken by the government in the form of Telangana Academy of Skill and Knowledge, but yes, of course, there is a lot of room for improvement.
All right. On that note then, we'll call it a wrap on this edition of The Big Picture. Thank you to all my guests for joining me on the program and putting things into perspective for us. That's it from me. See you again next time.